What is up, everyone? This is Tuzlo, and today I'm going to be installing a new head unit in my Celica. I did have a touchscreen before. I did make a video on that one, but it was an outdated Pioneer double-din touchscreen, and it did have Bluetooth, so it wasn't that bad, but I wanted to get something a little bit more modern. Excuse the mess. As I said before, I hardly drive this Celica nowadays. I actually let my sister drive it and kind of take over it, so that's her mess. Everyone knows I daily the Corolla XRS, but I threw this doubled in for now, and I just the one I had here before, I actually gave it to one of my buddies, Michael Ball. I gave it to him when I sold him my Phantom Gray Corolla XRS, and I just threw this one in there because for about, I don't know, 2-3 months it didn't have a stereo, so I just threw this one in just for now. But it finally is coming out today. I am feeding the Bluetooth antenna, or not Bluetooth antenna, the Bluetooth microphone through here. Made it pop out through here, so we're gonna feed it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my pillar back on, feed the wire under the dash and into the stereo. I have the, where are they at? I have both aux and USB hooked up. I don't like this. I'm gonna have to buy like a little plug adapter or something. Either run it through the to the glove box on the side or into my storage compartment right here. But aux, USB, microphone, and parking ground, and the actual major plug is installed. So let's see if this turns on. Hopefully I don't blow anything. Nice. The screen's a lot bigger. Looks cool. Wow, this looks nice. This really does look nice. What time is it? It is 9:24, so let's go back right here. 9:24, it's 2020. Today is January the 14th. Cool. Let's see on back themes. Another Triforce theme. I like that one. I don't like the Triforce theme. It kind of looks like... Oh, that looks cool. Okay, we'll leave it like that. I like it. Alright, I know. Let's change the color. Good. Illumination. Let's see if I can do this right. Looks cool. Alright, that's awesome. So radio is finally installed. Let's see if it works. By the way, I'm recording in another day because ran out of time that day. But you can see. On my last video that I did upload of a stereo install, a lot of people wanted to see how well the stereo fits inside the, I guess, the console of the Celica. And if you guys want a better look, there it is. I bought these off eBay. They're about $5 each. They also sell the ones with like the USB and aux right here. But I didn't buy it for my car because I kind of like the clean look here. I actually run the cords through the glove box and I have them right here, but sometimes when my sister drives the car, she tends to have the cables hanging out right here and just has it right here on the driver's seat, because I really don't like the cables coming out through here and they're like on top of the shifter, and I don't know, I just don't like the cables all over the place. It makes it look tacky and messy and just, I don't know, it doesn't please me. But there's the radio, guys. Here, let me switch lens right now. So this thing looks super clean. It looks like it's like an iPad or like a smartphone, smart device or something. It just, I like this border. It's like a silver border, and it makes it look like it's like an iPad just floating, just sitting there in your center console. And it kind of sits kind of flush. Not really, you know, my finger does get caught, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. I can give you guys different angles. It doesn't look bad. From where I'm sitting, I don't get any glare. It looks good. I can see it from here. The Bluetooth microphone, I have it right here, and I don't get any issues with the people talking to me over the phone. They can hear me perfectly clear. It's actually a really good device. It does have Apple CarPlay, but I don't have my phone on me, so can't really show you guys. Actually, let me go get my phone. So as you guys can see, my Apple CarPlay is connected. I really hope it doesn't zoom in where I live, but look at that. I'm playing something from here. And there it goes, it starts playing it. I would connect it to. So unfortunately, this is not wireless CarPlay. This is only through USB, which is fine in my opinion. But you guys can see you have Google Maps, really good. That way you're not fidgeting through your phone. You can just do everything right here. Let's see if I could do something. So yeah, I could choose that I want to go to work. Obviously I don't work no more, so I gotta take that off. But you can do a lot. You can do everything here, which you do on your phone, you do it here. And I could go to music and it's all there. Or I could just go right here and there's my main menu. You could change the colors right here, and it just has a lot of settings. There it goes. So if you don't want to wire up the parking brake, all I did was wire it to like a ground on the frame of the vehicle, and I'm able to do the Bluetooth settings, which it doesn't allow you to do if you don't have that parking brake engaged, which is dumb, I guess, but whatever. And then it has voice commands right here. It's a really cool stereo. I like it. It's a big upgrade from my previous one. It kind of keeps it. This one's more modern, I guess I should say. But it's a really cool stereo. I highly recommend it. It's actually cheap. It's not too expensive. And most important part is I got Bluetooth and Google Maps, which is what I wanted. And it just looks nice because, as I said, these are touch. They're not buttons that you press in. They're just touch, and they're very responsive. Like, I'm not even like forcing it to do anything. Like, I'm just clicking, click, see, or click, touch, I should say. But it's a legit stereo. I like it. I highly recommend it. If you guys are in the market for aftermarket stereos, get this Pioneer. It's a really good one. Thank you guys for watching.